Hey guys, what's up? My name, Wolf Thunder, is here for today, guys. Now we are bringing on for today is UFC 388 Sport. Because I know why I play this for now, guys, because I love to do that because it is part of my favorite game and just make my own guy because no, what you guys didn't name him for you guys. I like to make them for you. And what guy names will you like? Please leave my comment for now. I'm serious this time. And what else, guys? Because I know why I'm the best every time. I'm a Wolf Thunder. And I love to stay home, be safe, don't be bad kids. I promise you guys. And please, thank you for liking my comment for now. And make sure you guys smash the like button. And see you guys on the upload. And make sure you guys like my comment, post notification on. And see you guys later. No, Thunder. Soon. Alright.